Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the device. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data so the malware can't call home. Next, boot into safe mode. This halts third-party apps and lets you act safely. While in safe mode, make a quick backup of photos and contacts to a PC or encrypted cloud. Don't sync apps. Once done, check storage and battery health to confirm the phone can complete scans and removals without interruption. You now focus on the likely infection vectors. Open settings and sort apps by install date, then uninstall any unfamiliar or recently added apps. After that, clear cache and data for browsers and messaging apps to remove injected scripts or stored payloads. Make sure to run a full device scan with a reputable antivirus. Allow it to remove threats and quarantine suspicious files. If the scanner finds hidden apps, note their package names for further research before rebooting. You finish by assessing whether removal succeeded. If malware persists, perform a factory reset after exporting essential files to a trusted PC. Once reset, reinstall apps selectively. Avoid restoring APKs or full app data. Restore only contacts, photos, and verified files. Make sure to change all passwords and enable two-factor authentication where possible. If you encounter persistent pop-ups or reinstalled apps, boot to safe mode and factory reset again. That one troubleshooting step often breaks deeply embedded infections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.